Why can't you reroll the Cassante Yi Prestige skins? Why can't I reroll Cassante and Yi Prestige skins even after the event ends? In a response to player feedback, Riot reintroduced the ability to reroll new Prestige skins once they left the event or mythic shop. And if you own all the skins, you're supposed to be able to guarantee every new Prestige skin from rerolling. However, even after the event has ended, people are still not getting them from rerolls due to an unknown bug or lazy coding, which results in wasted skin shards. Well, it turns out if you own every skin and haven't been re-rolling the new ones, you can ask Riot support for a refund. Their response to a ticket says, "I checked your account and I can see that your last 2 re-rolls failed, resulting in already owned skins. I can undo those if you want me to." As for the Azir skin in question, it left the shop since it's an esports skin. It will be available for purchase next Worlds, and it can't be re-rolled into for a year. Let me know if you want me to undo your last re-rolls. Now, to state the obvious, you can't ask for a refund on any re-roll. You must own every skin and also experience this reroll bug, so don't submit a ticket unless this applies to you. For those of you who don't own all the skins, I recommend waiting a patch or 2 weeks after the new mythic skins leave the shop before trying to get them from loot or rerolls. Thanks for watching, see you next time.